Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're diving into December 6th, a date packed with fascinating moments, unforgettable figures, and curious connections. From legendary musicians to groundbreaking events, these 20 stories will surprise, entertain, and leave you hungry for more history. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our journey through time. Number 20. December 6th, 1960, saw the Broadway debut of Camelot, starring Richard Burton and Julie Andrews. This magical retelling of Arthurian legends became a cultural touchstone, enchanting audiences with its grandeur and influencing musicals for decades to come. Number 19. Born on December 6, 1994, NBA superstar Giannis Antetokounmpo, the Greek Freak, rose from selling trinkets in Athens to dominating basketball courts worldwide. At 30 in 2024, he's still slam-dunking his way into the record books. Number 18. On December 6, 1969, the Rolling Stones' Altamont Free concert turned chaotic when violence broke out, marking a grim end to the peace and love era. Often dubbed Woodstock's evil twin, it remains a cautionary tale in music history. Number 17. Comedy genius. Judd Apatow, born December 6, 1967, gave us hits like The 40-Year-Old Virgin. At 57 in 2024, he continues to produce laughter across generations, proving that humor truly is timeless. Number 16. Roy Orbison, whose operatic voice gave us classics like Oh Pretty Woman, passed away on December 6, 1988. He left behind a legacy of heartfelt music, influencing countless artists with his emotional depth and signature sunglasses. Number 15. December 6, 1964, brought the TV debut of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. This stop-motion classic has charmed audiences for decades, guiding holiday spirits through foggy eves much like Rudolph guided Santa's sleigh. Number 14. Agnes Moorehead, unforgettable as Endora in Bewitched, was born on December 6, 1900. Her spellbinding performances captivated audiences, and her legacy as a stage and screen icon remains magical to this day. Number 13. Peter Buck, guitarist for R.E.M., was born on December 6, 1956. Turning 68 in 2018-2024, his music continues to resonate, with hits like Losing My Religion still defining the soundtrack of countless lives. Number 12. On December 6, 2002, the mind-bending film Adaptation, starring Nicolas Cage and Meryl Streep, premiered. This cinematic masterpiece twisted viewers' perceptions of reality, making it a must-watch for fans of quirky brilliance. Number 11. Stephen Wright, master of deadpan comedy and surreal one-liners, was born on December 6, 1955. Turning 69 in 2024, he continues to baffle and amuse with his uniquely hilarious perspective on life. Number 10. Legendary lyricist Ira Gershwin, born December 6, 1896, gave us timeless tunes like I Got Rhythm. His poetic genius endures, serenading the world with melodies that never age. Number 9. Johnny Manziel, aka Johnny Football, was born on December 6, 1992. Turning 32 in 2024, this former NFL quarterback remains a wild card, famous for his flashy plays and off-field antics. Number 8. On December 6, 1973, Gerald Ford became U.S. Vice President after Spiro Agnew's resignation. Stepping into the limelight, he later ascended to the presidency after Nixon's resignation, a prime example of being in the right place at the right time. Number 7. Lindsay Price, star of Beverly Hills, 90210, was born December 6, 1976. At 48 in 2024, she continues to shine both on-screen and off, proving her enduring appeal in Hollywood. Number 6. Former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo was born December 6, 1957. At 67 in 2024, his political career remains a topic of discussion, marked by achievements, controversies, and headline-making moments. Number 5. On December 6, 1998, Hugo Chavez was elected president of Venezuela. His fiery rhetoric and sweeping reforms reshaped the nation's political landscape, leaving an indelible mark on history. Number 4. Spanish cyclist Alberto Contador, born December 6, 1982, is celebrated for his Grand Tour victories. Turning 42 in 2024, he's pedaled his way into cycling history, conquering mountains and thrilling fans. Number 3. Debbie Rowe, born December 6, 1958, is known as the former wife of Michael Jackson and mother to 2 of his children. At 66 in 2024, her life remains closely tied to pop royalty. Number 2. David Osman, of Firesign Theater fame, was born December 6, 1936. Turning 88 in 2024, his surreal comedic brilliance continues to entertain, proving that laughter truly is ageless. Number 1. St. Nicholas, the inspiration for Santa Claus, passed away on December 6, 343 AD. His legendary acts of kindness birthed centuries of festive traditions, making generosity the ultimate gift that keeps on giving. Thanks for joining us on this journey through December 6th's most captivating moments. If you enjoyed these fascinating tidbits, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow history lovers. Subscribe to Celebrities in History for more amazing stories that bring the past to life, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.